What's happening, people? This is Prajit here with yet another vlog, and I'm actually going downstairs to fix my bike. Now, what's wrong with my bike? The problem is that fan off कर देता हूँ तो आपको शायद थोड़ा ज़्यादा पंखे का आवाज़ आएगा. So yes, so as I'm going downstairs to fix my bike, the problem with my bike is my battery got drained. So what happened was, yesterday was Saturday. My friend Yuvraj came all the way from South Bombay to my place. He was standing right outside my building. My bike nikala. I took out my bike and I'm trying to start, and dude, it's just not starting. I was like, man, band baj gayi. The problem is the battery completely got drained. There is some problem with my battery for sure. I'm not sure what exactly is the problem. I am going to the bike. I'll show you. आप लोग देख सकोगे कि क्या exact problem है. So I'm right at the place where I keep my bike. This is where I keep my bike, and this is a polywall shed. This is a very nice eco shed which I actually use. Very convenient basically. See, पूरा खुल गया. If you guys want to buy this shed, here is the details. Click on this link and then you guys can actually look at it. So yes, right now what I have to do is this is where I have to open this particular panel, and to open this I need to take this particular screw out, and yeah, once I take the seat out, I'll be putting that charger. Yes, let me show you guys the charger as well. Yes, this is the charger from Triumph. So this is what Jitu uses, my friend who gave me the charger. He uses this particular charger, and I've used it before as well, and it's actually a really good one. What I need to do is I just need to keep it overnight. It takes around 6 to 8 hours for a full charge. So I'm going to put this, so right now the time is around 10 o'clock in the night, and I'm going to put it on charge, and then in the morning हम देखते हैं इसको पूरा चार्ज हो जाएगा. अब आपको मैं एक चीज़ करके दिखाता हूँ कुछ भी करने से पहले कि मेरी गाड़ी साउंड कैसे कर रही है जब मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ स्टार्ट करने के लिए. सी कैन सी द इग्निशन एंड एवरीथिंग. See, this is the kind of sound the bike is giving me. So I really need to make sure the battery is charged. It's just the battery problem. There is some fault with my battery. As I said, I'll get it checked from Harley Davidson. अभी उनके पास बैटरी स्टॉक में भी नहीं है. बैटरी इज़ अंडर वारंटी, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा. तो Harley Davidson जाकर मैं बाद में चेक करूँगा. अभी के लिए फिक्स कर लेते हैं. So we need to remove the screw first to remove the seat. So let's first get on to the screw. इसको निकालते हैं. Yeah, there you go. ये आ गया बाहर. Now it's time to remove this. Just pull this properly. Now let's remove the seat. There you go. Okay, so the charger comes with two ends over here. One is the black one and one is the red one. Red is the positive part, black is the negative part. What you need to do is connect the red to the positive part over here like this. You see a red color over here, that is the positive part, and black to the negative part. You see black color, that side is red color. So it becomes very easy for you to understand. Once you connect them, it's very simple. You just need to pick up the main plug and put it on to the plug point, switch it on. So the moment you switch on the charger, you'll see these lights coming on. Alright, that means it's getting charged. The moment this starts charging, what you need to do is just keep it, place it somewhere safe like this. I've just placed it over here, and then I will obviously take all of this to my house. I'll take them, and tomorrow morning I'm going to come back, check once again, switch it on and see what's the status like.
the next day.
Good morning guys, it's 10 o'clock in the morning and I'm next to my bike. ये देखा यहाँ पे it's still charging. What I can show you right now is look at this, right? Yesterday the light was yellow over here. Right now it's become green, so I can switch this off, take this out and take these plugs off as well. Cool, let's try switching it on. I'm going to keep it switched on for a while once I fix this, all of it. And yes, it's good. Look at that, it's so dirty. I'm going to wash this as well. So yeah, I'll work on that right now. So this was more of an informative vlog which I showed you. You know how to charge your motorcycle when specifically it's a lithium-ion battery. It's specifically for lithium-ion battery. So yeah, that's about it guys for today. If you guys enjoyed, if you guys learned something new today, please click on that like button and comment on whatever you liked. That's it guys, thank you so much.